Hi folks, welcome to Get This. I'm Dr. MM, and here's OneNote, episode 12. The Help tab, Help. OneNote now has a new tab called Help, nestled between View and Class Notebook. This tab includes some of the features located under Settings, which was the topic of another tutorial. Now let's take a look and see what it has to offer. Today I will focus only on the Help button in itself, which opens a panel on the right side of the screen once you click on it. There are several links that you can click on and receive more help on the issues listed there. Let me click on Introducing OneNote. There's text for you to read and a video that will play right there. Let's take a look. Once I'm done reading the information and watching the video, I just need to click on the Home button over here to go to the main screen, like so. Additionally, I can conduct text searches in the Search Help box over here. Let me find out how to create a notebook. I have several links and also a video that I can watch. Let me check out the first link. Wow, lots of info and steps there that I can follow to create a notebook. Let me go back by clicking on the left arrow. This action will take me to my search. If I click on the Home button, all of my search will be gone and I will have to type it all over again. Let me click on the video here. Wow, more info apart from the featured video. Fantastic! I don't need to get out of OneNote to polish up my skills using the software. Okay folks, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial on the Help button within the Help tab in OneNote. I hope you make full use of it from now on. I'm Dr. MM, and I really want you to get this.